Hey guys, welcome to Common Fixes. Today we're working on a 2019 Hyundai Accent. The ball joint itself has an issue. There's movement in it, so we're going to replace the ball joint. Two ways of doing this. One, you can press the ball joint out and replace it with just the ball joint. The other way is replacing the control arm itself. So I'll show you both ways. What we need to do to make the job easier, I want to replace take out the control arm and press the ball joint on the bench. So to remove the control arm, you have to remove this nut here from the ball joint and then kind of hit it off. And then you have one bolt here with a nut that you need to take out, and then there's another bolt on this side that you just gotta take out, and then take the control arm down and then press it out on the bench if you're doing just the ball joint. Okay guys, so we have the control arm out of the car. It's on the ground here. We're going to be replacing it with a brand new ball joint along with the brand new C-clip after we install it. So there's an old C-clip right here that we need to pull out first and then press out the ball joint downwards. So we're going to press it from this side down and take it out from here, and then we'll reverse the procedure by putting the new ball joint from the bottom upwards. We'll press it in, and we're going to be using these presses here to press them in. You do need a kit similar to this to make this job work. So here we go. Let's remove the C-clip. You're going to need pliers, C-clip removing pliers. So you just need to put it in those holes, pull out the C-clip, and then we're going to install the removing tool. Remove the press. There you have it. The ball joint will fall into the press, basically. So you just have to remove that. We'll just clean up this area a little bit, lubricate it, and then install the new ball joint in there. Put a little bit of grease on the new ball joint also, just to make it slide in easier. You're gonna need a cone that the ball joint is gonna fall into from the top once you pull it press it up. If you look over here, you can see the ball joint going in slowly into the controller. So you want it to seal right up against the control arm. That means you're fully in. And then we'll remove the press and put in the C-clip. So where the C-clip goes, there's a little notch on the ball joint itself along that line. And you want to put the C-clip right into that notch and make sure it sits in there and clips in. So that will be the C-clip. It has to go into that notch there. So you need the pliers again. Squeeze that clip, make sure it opens up, and press it down until it sits onto the ridge, and then just move it around a little bit, just make sure that it sits there, and that's it. The job is done. Okay guys, so the control arm is back in the car. The ball joint over here, a new ball joint that's in the control arm. So we're going to retighten that nut, and we're going to retighten this bolt and hold the nut on top while you tighten it from the bottom. And we're also going to tighten this bolt here, and then that's it. The job is done.